As 2021 winds down, we like to reflect on the best parts the year brought us. It was a slower year overall for our outdoor adventures, partly due to the ongoing pandemic and the effects it's had on everything from my work hours to gas prices and just a lot of crazy things in our personal lives. But we made the best of it, and in 2021, we visited 16 nature preserves, 17 state parks, 6 national forests, 5 national parks, as well as several wildlife refuges and recreation areas. We hiked in 8 different states this past year, including 3 we had never hiked in before. So, I'd say overall, it was a pretty good year for outdoor adventures. You all helped our YouTube channel reach new milestones as well. In the past year, our channel received over 158,000 views, with nearly 9,600 hours watched, gaining 755 new subscribers. Thank you all! However, more than 88% of our views came from non-subscribers. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps our growth and encourages us to keep doing what we do. In the meantime, here's a little montage of some of our favorite highlights from the past year. See you all in 2022.